That's what I did today. Welcome to Strange Cake, where we're all a bit strange, but oh so very tasty. So glad to see you all here. We've been on a bit of a road trip. Back to the studio.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world.
Hello and welcome to a very special episode. Today we are on a road trip, and by today I mean definitely today, not the day after, because this intro's done before, you see. It's not done afterwards, it's done before. Yeah. But yeah, so we are on a road trip. We are going to get into a nice little peppy 125cc's and we are going to take them on a just shy of 100-mile run. We are going to take ourselves from the wonderful city of Bath, in fact the Roman Baths to be more precise. We are going to travel all the way to Gold Hill. So from Gold Hill, we head all the way down to Weymouth, down to the bottom of the country, where we go to Castle Cove and enjoy a nice swim, see some little fishies, enjoy a bit of the sun. But the water was beautiful, the views were magnificent. I ended up getting hives from something, I don't know what. And we had an absolutely amazing day, thoroughly enjoyed it. We'd definitely do something like that again. Enough of this idle chit chat, let's get on our bikes, let's get ready, and we'll get going. Welcome to Strange Cake, where we're all a bit strange, but oh so very tasty. Today, guess where we are? We are here to make bread. Actually, I lie, we're not here to make bread at all, but this is where the Hovis advert was filmed. If anyone remembers that really old advert, yeah, they got some poor sods to push a bike up here multiple times until they got the perfect shot. Speaking from experience, bit of a hill, isn't it? Right, so as I was saying before, we are at the world famous Gold Hill, which is obviously a hill. Some beautiful old stone houses. God knows how old they are. I haven't actually done any research whatsoever. We're literally just on a road trip to go to the beach and thought, okay, we'll go here because why not? It's on the way. And I'm kind of glad I did because it turned out to be very, very beautiful. So our intention was to walk up and go somewhere nice for a drink, and this is what we walked up to.
The days for your tomorrow, we days are today. God save the king, and may Shaftesbury flourish.
Funny thing is, walking in a crowd of people, turned out it was in remembrance for the end of Japan war, World War II, end of the war in Japan or something like that. So everyone was really quiet, and then these guys were in the middle of the street. Literally walked up the stairs to see it. It was amazing. It was quite funny, really. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. It was great fun. It's not very often you crash a whole memorial. I'm disappointed. Went all the way up that hill to find the pub is down the bottom. How great is that? Do you know how hot it was walking up this hill with this thing on? Oh, it was ridiculous, you have no idea. So now we're back down. We pulled into a pub. It was too hot, I was too sweaty. I mean, I am red, I am toasty, and I'm sweaty. So, how attractive is that? I haven't got long, got about another half an hour, something like that, before we need to go, you know, to the beach.
Are you sure about that?
Our actual destination. What? We've got a whole another hour to go before we can go swimming.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Oh, gosh. Well, onwards and upwards. Well, technically downwards since we're going down the bottom of the country, but shh. Don't tell anybody. So here we are. Hey. Where are we again? So here we are, finally, at Castle Cove in Weymouth. Right, so here we are again. This is like the 5th or 6th intro I've done, because I can honestly never remember where the hell we are.
Strange cake.
You're so stupid.
We're in Castle Cove in Weymouth. I hope I got that right this time. Oh my god, that was terrible. So we're here, finally, after hours and hours and hours and hours of riding. We're finally here. I might have been a bit of a party pooper and just decided to dive straight in without even bothering to take cameras or anything. I was so hot, I was so sweaty. It was a wonderful ride, do not get me wrong. It was a beautiful ride, I thoroughly enjoyed it. The roads were fantastic. But after going to Gold Hill and then, you know, another hour and a bit ride here, I have a bit of a numb bum. Went to the ocean, relaxed it a bit, so it was no weight on it. It was great. It's a bit shallow at the moment, but it's beautiful out there. You'll see in a second, don't you worry, I'll make sure that you get a good view of it. And that's not a seagull, that's a man, just so you know, if you heard that. I hope I got that on camera. Also had a lovely conversation with 2 ladies, and started talking about Sark. Everywhere I go, there's always something to talk about Sark. Weird, isn't it? This place is beautiful, I have to admit. I'm so glad I decided to come down here. Anyone that's in the vicinity, in Weymouth, come down. Castle Cove, have a look, it is phenomenal. Just look at this, just look.